Keith's just ordering breakfast. Keystone, cocktails, beer, soft drinks, and breakfast. Can't believe we're here. We're at the airport. We didn't do an, what do you call it, a pre-flight thing. We just kind of stayed at home. We got a taxi to the airport, and we're here at Newcastle airport through immigration. Got everything done through security, through immigration. That would be on the other side. We're through security, and here we are. We're going to get breakfast. We're both ordering the fry up, and it's very loud in here. Breakfast. We're all here. Well, we have ventured into the cabin bar. Keith is getting himself a Jameson's, and I'm getting a double pink gin and lemonade. But look at this for a view. Oh. Look at this for a view. Oh, we're in tip bar. Chin chin. Cheers. Happy holidays. like the coffee cake?
It's like hot water with flavour.
With flavouring. It's probably going to be the same.
With milk, remember? Just over an hour to go.
Right, we're in 16.
Really disappointed this morning. I've only seen a sheep. Oh, if it was the way the sun was that morning, you know.
We're here, we're on the bus, we're getting ready to go to the hotel. I'm so excited, we made it. Bus number 5.
25 alive.
Here's the room. Welcome to my crib.
Hi, welcome to Cribs, Florida.
Look at this room. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm blown away. So we've got the coffee area with the 50s Joffreys and the Earl Grey half and half. Look at the size of this bed. It's huge.
Matthew!
So looking at the map, like we're here, which is the first building from here. So this is the check-in area, and we literally came around the back in here. I am in awe. USB plugs. Look at this. Oh, there's a rollaway table, a chair. So you can move that wherever you want. Drawers. Keith started unpacking.
Again.
Disney TV. Safe. That was their keys to the world. Oh my gosh, look at the trash can.
Yeah.
It's recyclable. I take it that's an adjoining door. This is the bathroom. Oh, somewhere for your hats. Rosy Pops. Oh yeah, wardrobes in here. Ironing boards and all the gubbins. H2O soap. Hankies. This is the bathroom and it does close off. Oh, wow. Look at this bathroom. Oh my goodness. The size of that shower head. Wow. Keith's unpacking. I am in awe. Are you, Keithy?
Love it.
So how do you put these lights on? Oh, there you go. Switch by the bed. USBs. That means there's probably one at my side. Oh wow. Wow. Yeah. Can't really see. Look at what the flashy light is. I think he must be cleaning. Wow. This is amazing. Wow. I'm just gonna keep saying it, but
Whoa.
wow. Look, bed. My hair bond. I couldn't help it. I'm like so emotional. As soon as it came onto Disney property, I was like, I'm gonna cry. So we're as you can see, Keith's getting unpacked and we are going to Halfman Park and go and get something to eat, explore where we are. We're right next to the pool in the main building. This is gonna be fantastic. Oh my goodness. Keith,
We're here, babes.
we're here. Right, see you shortly at the eatery place.